Sacrifice of the Holy Spirit. Sacrifice of the Holy Spirit ពិធីសែនព្រេនវិញ្ញាណស័ក្តិសិទ្ធិ There are many types of sacramental ceremonies, such as the sacrifice of flesh, the teacher worship ceremony, the yantra tattooing ceremony, the ceremony of expelling demons, the ceremony of thanksgiving, the relief ceremony, the ceremony of liberating the zodiac, the ceremony of ascending the house, the ceremony of Assumption, the wedding ceremony, the burial ceremony, etc. ពិធីសែនព្រេនវិញ្ញាណស័ក្តិសិទ្ធិមានច្រើនប្រភេទដូចជាពិធីហោមរោងពិធីថ្វាយបង្គំគ្រូពិធីចាយយ័ន្តពិធីបណ្ដេញបិសាចពិធីរំលឹកគុណពិធីរំដោះគ្រោះពិធីដំឡើងរាសីពិធីឡើងផ្ទះពិធីឧបកិច្ចនានាពិធីរៀបការពិធីបញ្ចុះសពជាដើម In each ceremony, they always pay homage to Saint Brain by taking property, taxes, and logistics, which are the property that the locals keep as their own property, to offer offerings to the spirits, the virtues that used to help them to prosper and live happily. In each ceremony, they always pay homage to Saint Brain by taking property, taxes, and logistics, which are the property that the locals keep as their own property, to offer offerings to the spirits, the virtues that used to help them prosper and live happily. នៅក្នុងពិធីនីមួយៗគេតែងតែធ្វើការគោរពសែនព្រេនដោយមានយកភោគទ្រព្យអាករនិងភស្តុភារនានាដែលជាសម្បត្តិដែលអ្នកស្រុករកទុកដាក់ជាទ្រព្យផ្ទាល់ខ្លួនយកមកដាក់សែនថ្វាយវិញ្ញាណបារមីស័ក្តិសិទ្ធិដែលធ្លាប់បានជួយឲ្យគេបានថ្កុំថ្កើងរស់នៅសុខសប្បាយ The offerings included wildlife and livestock, such as wild boar, cows, pigs, chickens, ducks, etc. The collection of fruits, as well as the making of cakes and delicacies, as well as the collection of property. The offerings included wildlife and livestock, such as wild boar, cows, pigs, chickens, ducks, etc. The collection of fruits, as well as the making of cakes and delicacies, as well as the collection of property. ភស្តុភារដែលគេយកមកសែនរួមមានទាំងសត្វព្រៃនិងសត្វចិញ្ចឹមមានដូចជាជ្រូកព្រៃគោជ្រូកមាន់ទាលាក់មានការប្រមូលភោគផលផ្លែឈើព្រមទាំងមានការធ្វើនំចំណីនិងអាហារវិសេសៗព្រមទាំងការប្រមូលទ្រព្យល្អៗ It is good to arrange the offerings when there are special ceremonies like this one by one. It is good to arrange the offerings when there are special ceremonies like this one by one. វាល្អក្នុងការរៀបដាក់សែនព្រេននៅពេលមានពិធីពិសេសៗដូចនេះម្ដងៗ Among the logistics cakes used for offerings, they are the most valuable items that cannot be lost. The cutting of animals for offerings and the packaging of cakes for accompanying animals that are cooked for offerings, including cows, pigs, chickens, and ducks, especially when it's celebrating Thanksgiving and honoring their ancestors. Among the logistics cakes used for offerings, there are the most valuable items that cannot be lost: the cutting of animals for offerings and the packaging of cakes for accompanying animals that are cooked for offerings, including cows, pigs, chickens, and ducks, especially when celebrating Thanksgiving and honoring their ancestors. នៅក្នុងចំណោមនំចំណីភស្តុភារដែលសម្រាប់ដាក់សែនព្រេនទាំងឡាយនោះ មានវត្ថុវិសេសដែលគេត្រូវការជាងគេបាត់មិនបាន គឺការកាប់សត្វយកមកសែន និងការវេចនំអន្សមសម្រាប់ដាក់អមសត្វដែលគេចម្អិន យកមកដាក់សែនព្រេនមានគោជ្រូកមាន់ទា ជាពិសេសនៅពេលគេរៀបចំប្រារព្ធពិធីបុណ្យរំលឹកគុណនិងគោរពវិញ្ញាណក្ខន្ធរបស់ដូនតា This packaging of cakes is a testament to the richness of the locals. Rich in rich means coconuts, bananas, meat, and so on. This packaging of cakes is a testament to the richness of the locals. Rich in rich means coconuts, bananas, meat, and so on. ការវេចនំអន្សមនេះជាដំណើរសក្ខីភាពនៃការសម្បូរសប្បាយរបស់អ្នកស្រុក គឺបរិបូរដោយផលស្រូវ សណ្តែក ដូង ចេក សាច់សត្វជាដើម Vocabularies Number 1. Expel demons បណ្ដេញបិសាច Number 2. Relief ceremony ពិធីរំដោះគ្រោះ Number 3. Wildlife សត្វព្រៃ Number 4. Livestock សត្វស្រុក Number 5. Ceremony of ascending the house ពិធីឡើងផ្ទះ Number 6. Help them prosper and live happily ជួយឲ្យគេបានថ្កុំថ្កើងរស់នៅសុខសប្បាយ Number 7. Delicacies អាហារវិសេស Thank you